Are you ready to transform your life and unlock your full potential? And if the answer is yes, I'm going to give you 7 powerful reasons for why you need to register for Embrace the Burning Desire workshop. So, are you ready? Okay. So, the first one is you're going to gain clarity on your goals. So, clarity is power, it's everything. When you're clear, you're going to be, the force of nature. This workshop helps you cut through the noise and confusion and identify what truly matters in your life. And then we're going to discover your burning desire. I'm not talking about a wish or a simple goal. I'm talking about what is that unstoppable force within you that drives your dreams and fuel your motivation. We're going to find the balance between all what is important, all of the important areas in your life, being finances, physical health, mental health, spirituality, social life, relationships, so that you can live a life without having to sacrifice anything in any of those areas. Then we're going to understand what are the dominant human needs and why you make your decisions that the way you do. When we understand what drives you, what is your human need, then we can change it. It is also breaking through the limiting beliefs and self doubt that has been holding you back. And once we understand the limiting beliefs, we can replace them with more powerful beliefs. That is one of the best, you know, parts of the workshop. Then we're going to tap into your inner fire so that you can stay consistent and focused and be that unstoppable force even when the challenges arises. Now, you're going to walk away with a roadmap for success, like actionable tools and techniques, and a vision to keep your burning desire alive. So don't wait. Get one of the dates that suits you best, and let us start on this journey together. And then so we can create your life the way you dreamed it. So join the workshop and step into your power. I'm looking forward to see you